Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put together a very simple prototype on Lovable for somebody that's going after a health tech product manager job, and stay until the very end because I'll show you exactly how to get access to this. But we're going to go over to our prompt library right here, and this is a typical health product manager case study, which is a telehealth platform needs to help elderly patients track their medication without making the UI feel too techy or confusing. And here's the prompt that we're going to go ahead and use. Design an elderly med tracker focused on 100% accessibility. Here are the UI requirements. Use 24 size font minimum. All buttons must be extra large with high contrast colors. Green for taking, red for missed. Features a today schedule with big icons of pills, round oval, blue, white, an emergency contact button that remains fixed at the bottom. The user flow, there has to be a clicking mark as taken whenever there shows a green giant check mark and play subtle success sound or visual cue. The aesthetics, soft healthcare, blue and white, very simple, no clutter menus. This is the prompt that I basically added into Lovable right here. And as you can see, it actually came out. So let's just say I actually just did this right now today. It took me like less than 3 seconds. It actually took like about less than 3 minutes. So you have a med tracker, and we're just calling it Gentle Meds, right? Sounds pretty nice. This is today's date. In the number of pills that they have to go out there and take, we got a few things. Number one, we made up some pills. So for this, we have the name of the pill, 10 milligrams, 1 tablet, take with water before breakfast, 8 a.m. We've got the timer. It's very important that people take the right pills at the right time, especially when they're a little bit older. Metformin, 500 milligrams, 1 tablet. And then something else that we're also doing is we're showing the different shapes of the pills here and the different colors because, let's face it, like, give me a second here. Where's my little med tracker? But actually, I don't have mine. But we also have different times as well, 8 a.m., 8 a.m., 12 p.m. So we can say, hey, we have this one we've taken, okay? This one we miss, and this one we've taken. And it's actually fully responsive, okay? And you could see green is for taken, red is for miss, and we have a little outline right here. And it's absolutely crazy because it's like, okay, 3 out of 4 medications taken today. And then you also have the emergency contact, which you can also go ahead and open up as a phone. But for anybody that's actually, knows old people, we're making it we're making the font size and all the icons and everything very, very, very big. Now, something else that we can also go ahead and do to show the interviewer that we mean business is also, you can go out there and show the tablet preview, you can go out there and show the mobile preview, and then obviously you can show the desktop preview. Overall, how is this supposed to help you out on the product manager interview? Well, there's always so many hiring teams and so many directors and heads of product have never used a vibe coding tool before. So if you flex this on the interview, it's going to be extremely, extremely hot to them. So in our program here, our people, people are saying like the market's like so bad, everything is so brutal. Like our people, these are all testimonials that we put up recently. Our people are getting product manager jobs, whether they're in the UK, whether they're on an H1, whether they're transitioning from finance. We helped this guy land an AWS product manager role, whether they're in Canada. Even people that are, we helped this lady here break into product management over there at Amazon, even though she's on an H1B visa. What companies need to see right now more than anything else are people that have a portfolio. And more importantly, we've taken it a few notches up for you guys. Not only should you have this portfolio built out, most product managers, I would say 95% of product managers do not have a portfolio. If they do, at best it's on a website and it's only one portfolio piece. That's not going to go ahead and cut it because, like, this gentleman here who has landed a product manager job in our program and is also an instructor right now in our program. Let me show you how many side projects he has to go out there and land a 250K plus job. He has that many skills. This is actually how you deflect the problem of getting a product manager job taken away from you because they went with somebody else that has more experience. If you're interviewing for an e-commerce product manager role per se, and you're like, I really wish, like, let's just say you have a passion for e-commerce, maybe you have an e-commerce store and you want to break into e-commerce product management, and then they do the freaking interview with you all the way until the end, and at the very, very, very last minute, they're like, oh, we decided to go with a different candidate. The only way that you can go ahead and go on the counteroffensive is if they go to your YouTube profile and they're constantly seeing that you're updating new side projects, like, oh, he has this skill, he has this skill, he has this skill, he has this skill, he has this skill. So it just makes sense for them to think like, wow, this person, we're getting so many more skills. That means we're getting so much more value from this person versus that other candidate is very specialized in just one domain. But as the market's constantly changing and evolving, the most attractive trait on the job, one of the most attractive traits on the job is actually having more skills. That said, my name is Rich. Please go ahead and reach out to me on LinkedIn and schedule a call to see if our program is going to be a good fit for you. We'd love to go ahead and talk to you and see if we can also help you make this transition as well. But stay subscribed because I'm actually in my next video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to go ahead and actually land an e-commerce product manager job. Let's get it with Lovable.